In this video, I'm gonna show you 2 ways that you can make money online as a teenager, guys. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepo. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make money online as a teenager. As you can see, or if you've been watching my videos, in my intro I say, what's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepo. I'm a 16-year-old, right? So which means I'm a teenager. Yes, I'm a teenager. So basically, I'm also in this category, right? So I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make money online as a teenager without you doing dog walking, things that no teenager likes. Just from the comfort of your zone, really, right? I'm gonna show you 2 ways. The first way is basically to, right, before we start, actually, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, guys, and comment down below what you think about the new editing style. And guys, I have a new WhatsApp group that I created where we young entrepreneurs, basically, that are growing, help each other grow in whatever way we can, right? If you on the group, you can post videos if you want to post your video, if you want to add your link to your Instagram that people follow, whatever way you want us to help you with your social media, whatever platform, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, anyway, and give you tips. It just basically, as a community, just help each other, right? So I'll put the link to the invite of the group in link in the description right there. I'll put it to be the first link in the description, to be the invite to the WhatsApp group. Or I'll just send it to you if you comment down below and say send me the link, right? So that's what I want to get to the start, right? So let's get into this video. The first way is basically, if you are, I'm pretty sure whatever country you are from, right? I'm from Namibia, right? Like I said, there is in fact, in whatever city you are from, there is beautiful landscape or beautiful things that you can take pictures of. And nowadays, you don't need a camera, a high quality camera, to take pictures. You just need a simple camera, even your phone, right? Even your phone. I'm using, sorry, the audio might shake because I'm using the earphones, right? But even this phone right here, it takes very good cameras, right? Very good pictures. So what I do is I go to popular places in my country and basically take pictures, and then I upload them on this site called Getty Images, right? And then whoever people that likes your pictures, or whatever people that likes your pictures, they can go on and basically buy your pictures, right? And basically buy your pictures and use them, right? Because all these pictures, if you want to buy these pictures, you have to buy them from these people, right? And they are professional, high quality pictures that you can go and you can search in whatever pictures you want to look. Because Google, sometimes you can get in trouble with Google taking pictures from Google. So why don't you take this copyright free image? You can search anything that you want. So as you can see here, if I search, for example, Namib Desert, which is our desert in my country, right? So let me show you what pops up, right? If I search for Namib Desert, whatever, it can be shoes, it can be anything, right? They bring us these great, wonderful pictures of the Namib Desert, our desert. Really love it. I love it. I've been there. Actually, I live there, so right, it's very wonderful of the Namib Desert. So, and for you just to, even though you want this picture, plus this is a nice picture, right? And you just go here, add to cart, and you buy the picture, right? So for you is to post these types of pictures. Now, your country or probably where you live does not have interesting things. You can even take pictures of whatever, even of bags, whatever. People can search. You search pictures of whatever things you want, right? Any single thing you want, guys. So it's a really good way to go out there, even if you're walking with your friends, and then you see a bird walking down there. You just go there, take a picture of it, upload it to Getty Images, and then someone buys it, right? And then you can go to websites like Facebook and say, hey guys, I just go check out my Getty image of, I just uploaded an image right now, so you want to go check it out and basically advertise it. Or you go to sites where people are looking for different types of things, and they just advertise your pictures on there, right? With your logo in the middle, and say if you want it for free, you can like put your logo here and say if you want it for free, I can send it to you, right? I mean, I can send it to you, something like that. Just go to Getty Images, right? Getty Images, right? So that's the first way. The second way, probably most of you, or if not all of you, probably use Instagram, right? If you don't use it, it's fine, but you should definitely get on. This is a trend right now, right? So people go to Instagram, right? So basically, what you wanna do on Instagram is be an Instagram influencer. What does that mean, right? Instagram influencer is basically you choose a niche and then you start putting out content depending on the niche you are in, right? So, for example, I say make money, hashtag make money, right? So you see all these people posting these pictures. Now these pictures can be shared. You see this company business memes, right? So you post pictures like this or like this basically, and then you see all the people that are liking and the people that are commenting, right? And if you go to profiles here, you can see basically the people. You can see you can sell the people. They can put it in the bio, in the Instagram bio, and say, hey, check out this. You can sell any different types of products on there if you get a large following. Now that this does take time, so if you don't have patience, this is not for you. But if you just like post pictures every single day with different hashtags, right? It can even be about pets or about any certain animal, right? So let's say, for example, let me say hashtag puppy, something like that, right? So let's say hashtag puppy and let's see what pops up, or on hashtag puppy. Now people with these types of pictures of hashtag puppies or hashtag puppies, right? As you can see, these cute puppy images, right? This person can sell. You can if he has a large following, they put links in their bios, and then they sell. Like for example, hey, if you want like for example, this puppy, hey, this collar is on this website, go buy it. And then basically the person just buys the pictures from your link, or you get a commission, or the other way you can do drop ship. You buy it for a low price and then you can sell it for like $20, just like this collar here or something like that, right? So and say, hey, this hoodie, come, you want this hoodie, or get your puppy this great hoodie for winter time. And then the person actually, like right now, is for winter, so I'm pretty sure this person is actually selling. And then people are gonna comment and like, and then they are gonna go on the website that's in the bio, and then the person starts selling. So those are the way to make money as a teenager. Those are like that's like the easy. Those are the easiest way, just from the comfort of your zone. Now you wanna like when you're posting images, you want to put like popular hashtags. Like if I go in this one, for example, let me go shoot, yeah, right. The person has hashtag, exactly. The person has hashtags in their picture. They have hashtag animal, hashtag dogs, hashtag puppy, hashtag pets, hashtag what. So if you are doing makeup, you say hashtag makeup tutorial, hashtag make, hashtag up, hashtag make up, hashtag beauty at its finest, something like that, that's resonating with your niche, guys. So you want to do that. And what's gonna make, right? If a person says hashtag beauty, if a person just says hashtag beauty, they're gonna see your post, and then they click on your post, and then they click on your post, and what's gonna allow them to do is basically they can go buy a product. Now you can build up a large following from this, right? So exactly, this person can be selling like nail polishes, nail polish or something like that, or you can even be selling the iPhone case, you never know, or them glasses right here, right? So you just want to be keeping like posting. You want to post like 3 pictures every single day if you like. So you can go get pictures from Getty Images, or you want to just search for depends what, if you can even take pictures of your puppy or something like that, right? So guys, those are the ways to make money online. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd, and once again, right, if you have questions, private Instagram me, or private DM me. My Instagram's on the screen right now. Go there, it's Philemon_Shehepo. You can go there and DM me or private message, or if you have other related questions or video suggestions, you put them down below in the description, and I'll try to make a video about whatever you want or answer your question there, guys. And don't forget, comment down below, send link, and I'll send you the link to our Instagram, our WhatsApp group, where we grow as entrepreneurs and help each other grow, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd, and once again, see you in the next video. Peace.